Welcome to Ridgecraft. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Quinzee, and here's how it went. So as you can see, this is a pile of snow I made earlier, and I'm going to tell you a few tips and tricks on how to make a Quinzee. Little rake to carve out the sides and the roof, and then when you scrape it, this turns into this powder that falls, and it really speeds things up, and it helps you be able to shape it.
In there. Get him out of there. Quiet? Yeah. Cool.
Quinzee is different from an igloo because an igloo is made of blocks of like wind condensed snow, and with this you can just use any type of snow, packy snow, powdery snow. Then you just have to pile it up and hollow it out, and you have to make sure light comes through the roof of it but not through the walls, because there's too much weight on top, then it will just all fall down. That can be really dangerous. Someone just stuck her paw through. Since my cats dug a hole in the roof, I used a piece of ice and covered it, and that turned it into a window. So, if it's windy, you can just sit right here, and this will block the wind. And this is a shelter. Behold, the ginormous king bed. What we have so far, and we still have a long way to go this way. Like, still about like 2.5 more feet that way, and maybe 6 inches up this way. You're supposed to see light through it like this, so then you know that there's not too much weight on top, because if there's too much weight on top, it'll all just fall down. So right here, I'm going to keep going up because there's no light coming through it, and it looks like it's thick. So I'm going to go do that. We're gonna be making another video, and we're gonna make a little wood stove out of a metal coffee can, and we're gonna cook food on it.
Awesome.